Authorized SAFE members can either grant or deny requests to access accounts. This feature adds an additional measure of protection because it lets the organization see who wants to access the information in the safe, when, and for what purpose. First, the user creates a request. In the request, the user specifies the reason for accessing the account, whether they will access it once or multiple times, and the time period during which they will access it. A notification about the request is sent to users who are authorized to confirm this request. Next, the request is confirmed or rejected by the authorized users. This can be done from the web portal or from the CyberArk mobile app. The number of authorized users who are required to confirm requests is defined in the master policy. In the final step, the user connects to the account. Each time an authorized user responds to the request, the user who created it receives a notification. When the total number of required confirmations is received for the request, this user receives a final notification. The user can now activate the confirmation and access the account according to the request specifications. From the CyberArk web portal, select your organization's authentication method. Log in as a user with permissions to view accounts and launch privileged sessions. To access an account in an environment where dual control is enforced, you must first create a request. Click Request Connection. Specify a reason for the connection. You may see a list of predefined reasons you will need to choose from. You can request a one-time connection or specify a time frame. Toggle the button here to request multiple access during the selected time frame. If you have the relevant permissions, you may also see who can confirm your request. Finally, send your request. The request is now pending approval. From the approver point of view, you will receive an email containing the request details. Click the link in the email to review the request in the CyberArk web portal. Requests waiting for your approval can be found under Incoming Requests. Approve or reject the request here. Specify the reason for confirmation and click Confirm. Back to the requester point of view, you will receive an email that your request has been confirmed. You can also see the request is confirmed in the web portal. You can now connect to the account according to the request specifications. Now you know how to connect to targets when dual control is enforced. For more information, check out our online resources.